welcome to Laura's Fundora. Today I'm going to show you how I made this beaded burger. Okay, so I was going on a trip and I didn't want to bring my huge wooden loom, so I created a loom out of a top of a shoebox, and I just cut out a hole. Just put the material over it with the push tacks, thumbtacks around it. Okay, so the beads I used, burger colors. Okay, so I printed out a picture of a burger for a reference and also for the size. And you're gonna start out tampered embroidering the outline of the burger and all of the toppings and stuff. So I just hand stitched it. I cut out, of course, the leftover tulle stuff, and I tucked it under and hand stitched it to a pillow. Hey, you made it to the end of the video, and this is the end result. I love it so much, so much. I feel like it needs sides, like it needs fries or something. Maybe that'll be my next video, beading project video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this one.